Hello YouTube, how you doing? Again, this is MDX, Acura MDX 2007. I have an issue with it, so it's been 3 days fighting with this car to fix this problem. So the problem is that I can start the car with I can drive, no problem, but I don't have no radio, no navigation system. I was looking online to see if I can find any help, but not lucky, couldn't find nobody actually that had probably this similar issue. And I check on YouTube, I check on Google help, and I couldn't find any help. So this is it right here. I'll show you what's going on in here. So as I said, it's been like 3 days. They couldn't find the issue. I can start the car with no problem. This is the car is running. This is the problem I have. It's like the radio is not working. It's not working right here. I can press, not working, and the navigation system is not working too. So even though the charger, this whatever they call it, the lighter or the cigarette lighter, actually, it's not working. I cannot charge my phone. I cannot charge my phone from this panel in here too. There's like another lighter plug right here, and there's on a trunk there's another plug. So what I found out is that this car has a problem with the relay. As I said, after 3 days fighting, checking all the fuse boxes, checking everything, I couldn't find any visible defects. So what I found after a while, that this relay right here, it's not working. So I measure it with the multimeter, and it's not working. So what I did, I just went to AutoZone or Advance. Actually, I bought this one here from Advance. It's like 90 bucks. I'm sorry, it's like $19.95. It's $20. It's not a big deal, you know. But I just put it in. So I'll show you where you're supposed to find this relay. Actually, the relay should be right here underneath, right on the top of the fuse box, right here, right on the top of the fuse box. There's two relays right there on the top. They are attached with the chassis. You see that black one right there, attached to the bracket right on the chassis, and this one right here should be right here, this one. So next to it, on the left side near the wall, this one is for the navigation system, lighter plug, and radio. So if you take this one here and check it, if it's not working, you just replace it and you're good to go. So I gotta replace the one, I gotta put the one that I just purchased. It's right here. Oh, just to let you know, that black one right there on the top, it's for the ignition. That's for the that's a relay starter relay cut off, actually, right here, this one. And next to it, that's for the navigation system and the radio and the lighters. So I gotta put it in right here now. I'm sorry, this is too tight, but okay, hope you see it. Just put it right here. Okay, so now the navigation system is coming back in without doing anything. Now as soon as I put it in, it's came back on. Right here, the radio. Let's try the radio now. Here you go. It's working. Very good. Navigation system is good to go. Press on OK. It's working. So this will resolve your problem, as I said. just go to that relay on the left side near the wall and replace it, and you should be good. And thank you for sharing with us this video, so at least other MDX owners can save them like a couple $100 actually, if they, or maybe $1,000 if they go to the dealership. So if you share this video, you'll be helping others. So I hope this video is very helpful, and thank you so much, and have a nice day. Take care.